AI is transforming how we shop, eat, and live. Tonight, we explore the innovations reshaping Hong Kong's retail landscape.
In 2040, every day begins with a world of possibility, tailored just for you, where even the simple act of shopping is effortless. Your preferences are anticipated, your choices are simplified, and your purchases arrive exactly when you need them.
Customers no longer scan items or wait in line. AI systems automatically identify purchases and process payment as shoppers exit. Dynamic pricing adjusts to demand, ensuring freshness and reducing waste.
In 2040, the supermarket is no longer just a place to shop. It's a memory bank, remembering not what you buy, but how it affects you. Here, your choices are guided by more than preference. The system learns from your habits. Some embrace the guidance, others crave control. But especially our elderly, it's a helping hand. Consumers no longer shop meal by meal. They subscribe to a physical and mental state, customized, convenient, and connected.
The secret lies in bioink. Instead of plastic, these printers use nutrient-dense pastes made from plant proteins, lab-grown cells, and essential vitamins. The printer follows a 3D digital blueprint, layering these materials precisely to recreate the exact texture, fat distribution, and muscle fibers of traditional meat. Traditional livestock requires massive amounts of land and water. By 2040, 3D printing has reduced the carbon footprint of our food supply. From AI-powered tracking to robotic chefs and automated waste management, technology is streamlining every step of the retail journey. Fashion and beauty retail now offer personalized experiences.
Recommendations based on body scan, trends, and climate. Real-time makeup changes allow instant experimentation.
But the day's creativity is just beginning. A perfect fit, designed by data, shaped for you. Your style, reimagined. Endless possibilities at your fingertips, from inspiration to ownership, in an instant. Ready to share your world with the world.
AI mirrors project your perfect outfit, while robot assistants curate your skincare routine. The future of retail is not just automated, it's personal. How will you embrace this new era?
As day turns to night, the city itself comes alive. This is Hong Kong. This is tomorrow.
Subscribe to the channel for more insights into our future world.